They say Web3 is broken. We say it can be fixed. The fragility of Web3 apps has one solution we all know of: decentralization. Your wallet doesn't talk with blockchain, but RPCs it connects to, they do. But what happens if an RPC node is down? No more blockchain for you. Your app becomes an interface connected to nothing. How can an RPC node go down? A regulator can shut it down. A provider can discontinue it. A hacker can break it. That's the decentralization that haunts Web3, dressed up to the nines. 92% of all RPC nodes are centralized. This means one thing. As long as the RPC layer remains centralized, it will remain vulnerable. It will keep making Web3 fragile. So far, there hasn't been a solution that would really address the problem. Centralized providers are a risk, but so are the decentralized ones that require using their native volatile tokens to assess their services. But the real solution exists. We know where to move and what must be done to make the RPC layer truly, unequivocally decentralized. Every developer should have their own RPC node. That's the only way to reach the level of decentralization that makes current concerns obsolete. But what if something happens to the developer's node? In that case, backup must be accessible at all times as a cluster of RPC nodes that are distributed enough to bear no risks of centralization. Finally, the cluster nodes must be run by battle-tested validators who don't deal in volatile tokens but in stablecoins instead. This will make the node cluster economically feasible for the entire community, not just a single project. The security of the RPC layer comes when any DApp can connect to an RPC, no matter what regulators, providers, or hackers think about it. And no true security is possible unless this cluster is available for free or can conveniently charge users. That is what extrnode is, a brainchild of Everstake. Born when several battle-tested validators and node operators like 01 Node, Chain Node Tech, Triton, Imperator, Chainflow, Staking Facility Stakin, Chainstack, and more came together to finally make the RPC layer secure and efficient. Open source and public load balancers are already available for Solana, with more blockchains to come. Other solutions in development include an extrnode SDK for different programming languages, a self-hosted low-budget balancer, a self-hosted node and balancer, and a verified RPC operator capable of maintaining enterprise-level operation with high-end hardware. Join our community to build a truly decentralized RPC layer of Web3 together.